Hello friends, this is Himanshu Jain from the Wall Street School. Now in the last decade or so, we have trained thousands of students in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. We have placed more than 3,000 students in the field of investment banking, corporate finance, equity research and consulting. Now we get a lot of queries from the students for this specific investment banking and financial modeling program that we have. We have broadly categorized these inquiries into the following subheads like 1. The broad structure of the program. 2. The course content. 3. The credentials of the faculty. 4th, the placement and the job opportunities that the candidates can get after the training program. We'll try to address all of these questions in this video. So watch it till the end. Let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about certification in financial modeling and valuations course offered by the Wall Street School. Many queries on regular basis are raised to us regarding this course via telephone calls, direct inquiry, email, social media comments. So we have decided to make one detailed video about this course. In this video I am going to cover about the program, the curriculum that we go through in this program, the faculties that will train you in this program, and the placements. Right, it's a very detailed video. So let us start. Firstly, let us talk about the structure of the program. So we start from the very basic. We start with MS Excel. The question is why we want to learn MS Excel to do valuations, to do financial modeling. So answer is it's not necessary to learn MS Excel. Any spreadsheet software would do, but 99% of the investment banks, the people who are operating in industry use MS Excel. So MS Excel is something that is a very core to investment banking, equity research industry. So we learn this software MS Excel. We don't learn the entire MS Excel. We learn MS Excel for finance. We learn all the way from beginners level to advanced level. Once we are comfortable with Microsoft Excel, we move towards learning basics about financial reporting. We learn about profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, and nitty-gritties of those three statements. Once we have knowledge of financial reporting and Microsoft Excel, we combine both the knowledge and we move towards financial modeling. In financial modeling, we need to prepare profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, and we need to prepare it on Excel. So this is fundamental to prepare financial models. Financial model is also not an and in itself, it's a means to do valuations, to take decisions. So we move towards valuations ultimately. So this is how broadly the program is structured. Now let us dive in detail. But before going ahead, let us talk about duration and delivery of the program. So we have two programs available. The content is same, everything is same. The difference is 6-week program is on Monday to Friday basis, that is on weekdays. It is generally recommended to freshers and students. Then we have same program for working professionals, but it takes 10 weeks to deliver this because the classes for working professionals are conducted only on Saturdays and Sundays. So weekday program Monday to Friday for freshers and students generally, and for working professionals a weekend program. So the weekday program lasts 6 weeks and weekend program lasts 10 weeks, that is approximately 2.5 months and 1.5 months, right? Content, curriculum, faculties, everything is same. Now let us talk about mode of delivery. So maybe 2 years, 3 years back, there was only one mode of delivery available, that is classroom training. But we have moved forward, especially during this pandemic period. 3 modes of delivery are available. Like this will open once everything is normalized. Pre-recorded videos are available on website, on Android app, and we also have live sessions conducted for this program. So we join around 9:30 in the morning on weekdays and weekends, and the classes continue till 3:30 at the max, right? So there are 3 modes available. classroom that will be available post COVID situation. So if you're watching this video once the pandemic is over, then you can join in our classes. You have pre-recorded videos available. You can access them via website or Android app, or you can access or you can join live classes. It is taken by faculties, the same faculties who have recorded this video. The same faculties who are conducting classroom are taking live sessions. So this is about delivery and duration. Now let us move ahead and talk about who can take up this course. Is it okay for a person who is coming from non-finance background, engineering, arts, or any other background? Is he eligible to take this program? Will this program make sense to him? The answer is yes. We make sure we deliver program, the knowledge, the content in such a way that a person who has good enough knowledge of commerce, finance, prior knowledge of commerce and finance feels enough challenged. At the same time, the person who is new to all these things have sufficient time to build his base. So it is suited for any candidate who must be ambitious to steer his career in finance. So only qualification is you have to be ambitious, you have to be really hardworking to be part of this program. Now one more question candidates ask: I am from engineering background, do you have any other engineers in this batch? So generally, obviously it varies batch to batch, but generally 30% of students are from CA background, 27% students are from MBA or CFA background, 18% are engineers, 18% are graduate from some other stream, and 7% are working professionals. This is for 6-week program. So this is how you can decide whether you should join the program or not. Ideally, if you have some curiosity to build your career in finance and you feel that you have got that ambition, you are ready to work hard, feel free to join us. Then let us move ahead and talk about the curriculum. Let us talk about in detail about the content of the course. So during the 10 weeks or 6 weeks you join us, you will be starting with basic Microsoft Excel. A hand-holding support will be given to you. Everything will be taught very slowly by the faculties. Then once we are comfortable with basics, we'll move towards advanced MS Excel, where we learn to develop complex formula. Then we move towards development of financial statements, development of 3-statement financial model, profit and loss, balance sheet and cash flow basically. Then once we are comfortable with this part, this is basically prerequisite to do the financial modeling and valuations part. Once we are comfortable with these 3 things, then we move towards financial modeling basic case study, in which we learn to develop a very basic financial model. Once we are comfortable with the basic financial modeling, then we move towards real life complex financial model case studies, in which we develop very complex financial models using very complex Excel formulas. And then we move towards the final case study for financial modeling, in which we learn to prepare financial model of public company. Right? We learn how to forecast financial models. We learn how to gather data from for public company. Once we are comfortable with this is, maybe you can call it as phase 2 of the course. Then we move towards phase 3, that is valuation. So in valuation, we learn intrinsic valuation and relative valuation. So intrinsic valuation or valuation is something that is not exactly an art, not exactly a science, it is a craft. The more you do it, the more creative you are, the easier for you it becomes to value a company. So we learn the craft of valuing a company using discounted cash flow approach, and we learn using relative valuations to value a particular company. We learn public company analysis, also known as trading comps, and transaction analysis, also known as transaction comps. Once we are done with Excel all the way to valuations, you have to appear for a test. You have to clear your test. So this is basically you testing the water. Whatever knowledge you have gathered in last 6 weeks or in last 10 weeks, you have to be very sure that you are comfortable applying that in real life. So before giving you the certificates, there is this test that you have to give, so that we feel comfortable, you feel comfortable that you have invested your time and money at the right place and you have acquired the relevant skills, and we feel comfortable that we have trained you in such a way that you will be able to do good in your careers. So this is how curriculum is structured. Then let us talk about the faculties who will be training you. So the faculties are ex-investment bankers who have been working in Goldman Sachs, Times Private Equity, Moody's, PwC, or they are industry veterans who have been working in relevant domains, in valuations, financial modeling, in Bajaj Finserv, ICRA, HSBC, Citi, PwC, etc., and academicians who have been dedicatedly teaching from last 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and they have relevant hands-on experience. So the faculties are those people who have been working in this industry from last couple of years. Few faculties have been working in this domain from more than a decade. Then they are coming here to teach you. So all of them are really good with their subject matter. They have been learning those things from last couple of years and have been applying those things on regular basis. They are very updated, they have very good industry knowledge, well known in the industry, and then they are coming to teach you. So don't worry about the faculties, all of them are very experienced and very knowledgeable. Now let us move ahead and talk about the placements. I think the very important part, right? So placements, one thing that I want to tell you is placements are 100% transparent. I think we are the only one in industry who gives you the contact details of the past candidates from last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years placed by us. You can contact them. So let me show you. I'll go to the wallstreetschool.com. I'll go to the placements tab. Then if I scroll down, you can see the details of candidates who have been placed, the date of placement, the company in which they have been placed, what they were doing pre-placement, and their Facebook or LinkedIn ID. So if I click on this IN button, this is sign for LinkedIn, you will be diverted to LinkedIn profile of the candidates who have been placed. So you can go and contact them and you can ask them about their experience. If they feel that they have been trained enough, they have been doing good in their careers, there's a high probability you will also feel the same, right? So this placement process is 100% transparent. There are 5 steps to get placed with us. So basically, firstly, you will have to acquire the relevant skills. Without skills, you cannot work in this industry, right? Once you have those skills, basically after week 4, week 5, completing week 4 or week 5, we start with the placement process. You apply for placement support. It is not mandatory for everyone to have placements. Many candidates join us because they want to just gather the knowledge, or they don't want our placement support. They will find the placements on their own. It's up to you. You have to apply for placement support. Then you practice mock interviews with the faculties. Then you move towards getting details about job posting. The details about job posting contains the name of the company in which there is vacancy, the designation, the job description, location, package, contract, no contract, everything, right? Then you apply for the job that you feel is the most relevant for you depending upon your preferences, and then you finally get placed, right? So like you have to go and crack the interviews. As a trainer, what we can do is we can connect you with the relevant employers. We can train you to crack the interview, but you have to go out and speak in interviews, right? So there is no guarantee for placements. I don't think even the best of the colleges in the world, IIMs and Ivy Leagues of the world, they cannot guarantee a placement, but there is a high probability that you will be placed, right? I am 100% transparent about it. Now let us move ahead and talk about the recruiters and the profile on which you will be working after getting placed. So recruiters, there are n number of companies who have been working with us to get their candidates. So all the way from Grant Thornton, EY, WNS, Moody's, HDFC, KPMG, Deloitte, Wipro, Genpact, Deutsche Bank, JP Morgan, Evalueserve, CRISIL, Aurum, Fitch Rating, MQ, PwC, Resurgent, Thomson Reuters, Visible Alpha, NDTV Profit, Cushman Wakefield, Deutsche Bank, Churchgate Partners, RCPL, Duff and Fellows. So many recruiters are there. If you want to know details about the candidates who have been placed recently, so what you can do is you can go to the wallstreetschool.com, go to placement, and we always write the name of the firm in which the candidates are placed. So a candidate called Rahul was placed with Citus AMC as research analyst. So the profile is research analyst. The company in which he is working is Citus AMC. So there are n number of companies in which the candidates from the Wall Street School get placed, right? Coming back, then what are the profiles generally the candidates who are recruited are working in? So generally they are working as equity research analyst, valuation associate, valuation consultant, debt syndication consultant. So basically this is capital markets, then analyst for financial modeling, associate investment banking, and then business analyst and investment banking. So these are broadly the profiles in which candidates are working. Your profile, your mileage may vary depending upon your preference and the job opportunities available at the time of your placement. Now let us move ahead and talk about location and salaries. So let's talk about location first. Generally, this industry are like equity research, investment banking, financial modeling, valuations. These industries, like the companies operating in these industries, have head offices in metro cities and tier 1 cities. So most of the placements, I don't say all the placements, but most of the placements are done in Delhi NCR region, that is Delhi, Noida and Gurgaon, Mumbai, you can say Pune also here, then Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. These are the major cities. Are there placements done in other cities also? Yes, in Ahmedabad, in other cities, yes, the placements are done. But these are the major cities in which you get placed. Now let us talk about salary. So to be very frank with you, salary, so I cannot guarantee that, okay, this is the salary you are going to get placed in. It really depends upon your knowledge, the way you reply or the way you give your interviews, at the same time the profile for which you are applying, at the same time your pre-joining TWS's educational qualification. Let me explain. Your salary is a function of pre-TWS's educational qualification, discipline, regularity, your preference, how your interview went. Let me explain this. Suppose there are two candidates in a batch. One is from IIM Ahmedabad and another one is from, let's say, tier 3 college, BCom graduate. So you cannot say, a BCom candidate cannot say after doing your program, I want salary equivalent to that IIM wala person, right? You cannot say that, because in those 6 weeks or in those 10 weeks, there is no magic wand that I am going to use to transform your entire career. What we can do is we can give you the relevant skills, but this IIM wala bachcha have worked really hard in comparison to this BCom wala bachcha, right? So there is a high probability he'll be placed at a much higher package than this BCom wala student. But still, if you want me to give a range, postgraduates or equivalent educational qualifications are placed somewhere around 6 to 12 lakh, and graduates from engineering as well as non-engineering background are placed around 4 to 6 lakh. This is a broad range. Your mileage may vary depending upon the conditions that I told. So that's it. These are all the details about the flagship course offered by the Wall Street School in financial modeling and valuations. If in case you have any queries related to this program, feel free to reach us at thewallstreetschool.com or in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.